Bev over here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a pond viewer. To make a pond viewer, first we must have water bottles, big one or huge ones, a blade, masking tape, some rubber bands, scissors, and a cling wrap. First step, we are going to cut the bottom part of the water bottle. This part here and this part here, just a little bit, about 5 centimeters away from the bottom part. I've already cut the bottom part of both this bottle. Now I'm going to wrap it up with the cling wrap. So wrap it up with the cling wrap, make sure that it's tight. Just like this. Alright, you can see that this part here is clear, and you can secure it with a rubber band. Ta-da! And this is ready to use. Next up is this big water bottle. So same thing, we're going to wrap the bottom part here with the cling wrap. So because this water bottle is a little bit big and wide, the rubber band cannot fit into this big wide mouth. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a masking tape instead. Basically, the masking tape is just to secure the cling wrap so that it doesn't come out when you use it inside the pond. Ta-da! And we're ready! Now our pond viewer is ready to be used. So we're now going to use our pond viewer, and we're going to put it inside to see what we can see inside the pond. Wow! The pond viewer works a little bit like a magnifying glass, so you can see clearer what's inside the pond or a stream. Have a look for yourself. It's a beautiful and serene day today, and we hope that you have enjoyed watching our video. Have fun doing the pond viewer. See you soon!